Do you ever get tired of constantly begging for someone's attention while they don't seem to care that much? According to human psychology, this feeling of continuously putting all the effort and receiving little in return can be very frustrating and damaging. You may start having second thoughts and you begin to question whether this other person genuinely cares about you. Most people never realize this, but unfortunately, attraction and desire doesn't increase based on how much you chase the other person. But what if there was a much better way to approach this situation? Usually, competing for someone's attention will only backfire and cause them to want to distance themselves from you. It's finally time to turn the tables and make them beg for your attention instead. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover why you should never fight for someone's attention and what you should do instead. Show interest without neediness. First of all, it's important to make the other person feel like they matter to you and that you are interested in them. But you need to do it in a way that doesn't come across as desperate. The way to do this is to let them know that you will be there for them when they need you, by being completely open and honest with them. You should show support without being too pushy. If you do these straightforward steps to demonstrate to the person you like that you are a reliable and genuine person who isn't needy, this will make them realize that you are a strong, independent person on your own, the kind of person they need in their lives. Let them chase you. You basically have to stop chasing the person you want to attract, even if it hurts. This is a necessary step that you need to execute in order for them to chase you. It won't feel right, and you will probably feel the urge to text them or call them every hour, but you shouldn't. This is not to say that you shouldn't reach out to them at all, but you have to limit yourself and be more thoughtful about it. As I said, unfortunately, attraction will not increase just because you simply show interest and chase the other person. But it can easily have the opposite effect if you do it too much. Never chase or compete too hard for someone's attention in an attempt to make them want you. This will just make them distance themselves from you. Focus on yourself. Working hard to achieve the greatest version of yourself possible is a huge thing you can do if you want to make someone want you more. This basically means that you try your best to become the greatest version of yourself, not that you need to change who you are as a person. You should have goals and ambitions, and you should not forget about them. In fact, you should have them in front of your eyes always. Make plans for the future and work diligently to realize them, whether it's about getting to the gym or working on your business. Being upbeat, cheerful, and generous to others will not only increase your self-esteem, but it will make you feel better about yourself as well, which will instantly make you more appealing to everyone around you. Stay true to your values. One of the best ways to increase someone's desire for you is to live life while staying true to your genuine values. You shouldn't change who you are or how you are as a person, just so someone would be more interested in you. In fact, when you are authentic and you embrace your values regardless of the situation, you immediately radiate confidence and self-assurance, and these traits are particularly attractive. In addition, living in accordance with your values communicates an important message that you are refusing to compromise on your values and the things that are important to you, no matter what happens. So, the person who is fighting for your attention will have to work hard to achieve what they want, to earn your love and affection. This way, you are demonstrating that you are not willing to accept anything that doesn't fit your values, and that can be really powerful. Be responsible for how you feel. When we are into someone, we tend to believe that they are in charge of making us happy, and that if they don't give us the affection and care that we desire, we will not be able to be happy on our own. However, this is not the case. You are in charge of your own happiness, and you must learn to be responsible for your own emotions. This doesn't mean that you should feel okay when the person you like doesn't care as much as you thought. It essentially means that you must find ways to be happy regardless, with or without them. The truth is that people always want what they can't have, and they are more attracted to something or someone valuable and rare. If you are able to demonstrate to the person you like that you manage to be happy even without them, they will eventually start realizing your true values and will be afraid to lose you, since they will slowly understand that you are the person that they need in their life. Don't be afraid to walk away. I know, this probably sounds rough, but it's important. This kind of attitude will not only attract high-quality people into your life, but it will also make people want you more. The idea of walking away can be frightening, and I'm so sure that many people would not even consider this as an option, but it is so crucial if you want to make someone realize your real worth and eventually want you more. When you are willing to leave someone, it demonstrates that you are not desperate, and most importantly, that you are not willing to put up with their toxic behavior. It also demonstrates that you are a high-value individual who will not tolerate being treated poorly. If you feel that you don't get the attention and care that you crave, you should not be sorry for leaving, and honestly, they shouldn't even be surprised either. This is so powerful since it shows that you have a strong character and that you don't undervalue yourself. As a result, they will understand that they must appreciate you and treat you as you deserve it under any circumstances, if they want to keep you in their lives. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.